From the News 3 studios, this is Local Living.
Welcome to Local Living. I'm your host, Nicole Reynolds. Joining me today is Todd Alt, the Executive Chairman of Alt Alliance Incorporated. Thanks so much for being with me today.
I'm happy to be here.
All right, so you guys have the Risk On 360 conference coming up. Who are some of the speakers that we can expect to hear from?
I think we have Tucker Carlson. He's one of the main speakers, a well-known political commentator. Obviously, a lot of people follow Tucker now on X. So we have Tucker. We have Charles Payne from Fox News. He'll be there. We have Ben Mulla, a big real estate guy from Florida. A really eclectic group of people, and we actually have RFK Jr. will be there too.
My goodness. All right, but let's talk about you just for a little bit here. What's your background?
I've been on Wall Street for 34 years. All kinds of things. I started my career off in syndication, really. I took Irvine Apartment Communities public 100 years ago. Probably people never even heard of that deal. That was a Donald Bren property. That was sort of my first deal. And from there, I've been in all kinds of places on Wall Street. I've taken many companies public, an Alzheimer's company called Alzheimer's Neuro about 2.5 years ago that I founded, probably 6 years before that. A lot of private equity and venture deals.
All right, so we're talking Wall Street here. We're talking about political commentators. What can attendees expect to receive when they attend the Risk on 360 conference?
It's actually not the reason I'm doing the conference. Not political, it's not that. What it is it's a giant networking opportunity. When I was young, I grew up in HUD housing. I had no father till I was 13. My mom got married, I was adopted. And I learned the hard way that I probably would have had maybe $200 million in extra net worth if I would have had a mentor, someone that would have helped me with the stupid decisions I've made. Right. And so I'm trying to provide access. It's really about, if you have an idea, a business, if you're here local in Vegas or anywhere around the world, that if you have access to people, access to have conversation, access to capital, it will help you. If you listen, it'll help you not make those mistakes. If I would have listened to a lot of people, I didn't have the right mentors, I would be further ahead of the game than I am now. And so I really, Risk On, which is the name of the conference, which stands for Relationships Are Vital, Invest in Yourself, Stay Your Own Course, Know Your Competition, Own Your Own Mistakes, and Never Give Up. That philosophy, which is a Wall Street philosophy that I've taken for my own, it's the most critical thing when you're trying to build a business.
So your life work into a conference, we're going to get people the mentors that they need. So where can our viewers buy tickets to this conference? And when is it happening?
Okay, so it's this weekend. It's F1 weekend, so there's a party on Friday night at the Ahern Hotel. Nice private dinner. And then Saturday, we're going to be out at Las Vegas Motor Speedway because I'm part of the IndyCar series. So we're going to have two-seaters out there doing 180 miles an hour. That evening, a viewing party at the Ahern, dinner, and then the conference starts Sunday and Monday.
A full weekend of events.
It's a big weekend, yeah.
I love it. And where can viewers get tickets?
They can go to Risk On 360 to get the tickets, and then if they put in the code NBC, then they get a special discount. A very big discount for locals. If you're a local, we're giving you very big discounts.
Locals love anytime you say discount.
There's not a lot of tickets available, but I think there's probably 50 to 75 available for locals. You could get a good discount there at riskon360.com.
Well, we love to hear it. Todd Alt, thank you so much for being with me today. It's been a pleasure.
Happy to be here, Nicole. Happy to be here.
And thank you everyone at home for watching Local Living. We'll see you next time.